probably. Wow.
I thought the scraping would feel different.
But we have to get you used to just going back first.
Whoa. It just hit me. It feels kind of just really tight. It's just kind of always like right here. And then it goes into like where you were at.
Okay, so it's starting up here.
Right. Like right, I'd say it's like right there where you're at.
So is it more in the center of the spine or is it towards the outside?
Towards the center of the spine.
Okay. And the way that you correct that is to take you back, and with the adjustment, I'll fix it better in that. You understand? I have to lean you into this.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Wow.
Breathe. That's it. If anything is too much, you let me know, okay?
Oh, I'm so fine. Just break the neck while you're at it.
No, I am not gonna do that. There you go. I have chills. I'm right on the nerve. You know, it's
That's a nerve right there.
down in there. There's more and more. Chin back for me. Perfect. And again. There they are. Excellent. Is that okay?
I'm good, girl.
I can handle more than I thought. Like that. I got it better on this side. You're like, oh, she can. There you go. And that's what I want. Look at that.
I feel it when you do that.
Like, like the sound effects.
I'm like stuck. I'm like,
There it is. Okay. It's good. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Good. It's set right back in. Excellent.
Yay.
Stuck there. You move great there. I'm going to fix this ankle. Just kind of look right and left. Is it feeling okay?
Yeah, I feel good.
Okay, we gotta do.
Wow. You got the magic hands.
I gotta do that the whole way down now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Wow,
See?
I never felt like this.
Well, that's good.
Like I can always, there's one way I can look a lot farther than the other, but I've never been able to like.
Okay. Yeah, we got a big one out here. Okay, you ready for this one?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, deep breath in. There you go. Breathe. Deep breath in. Oh, I see. I see. Okay, deep breath in.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was it.
Okay. So if I push on you like this, that now your spine's straight.
Wow.
You know, there is quite a bit of a curve here. Good. That's as far as I'm gonna go lower. Breathe.
I'm in heaven.
That's good. No, perfect. Okay. Breathe. It's down in here too. There they go. Just get a little bit of that. That's it. Just gonna hold it here for a little bit. At least make sure she can handle these deeper stretches. Behind your back. We're gonna go right in there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This feels great. Good. Too much, you okay?
No, that feels so good.
Okay, we're gonna bring this up.
Wow.
Okay, little sore one here. Make sure she's okay here. Okay, here we go, down.
Wow, this feels so good.
Ooh. Okay. See what's here. There you go. Back up to the neck, okay? Here we go. I'm gonna pull on these. There you go. That's that too much.
Not
I
at
kind of
all.
have to do that a little bit here.
That is perfectly fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull through all these.
This feels so good.
Okay, we got all of those. Now let's continue a little higher, okay? We'll pull like that, just a little bit. That's good. We want all this fascia to be loose. The nerves are right underneath the skin. So we try to see if we can't loosen all that up.
Wow.
You're just fine. Feel that? They gotta work on that one.
Wow.
That one's probably a little sore. Is it over here? Not as, no. It's all over here.
Wow.
This is what I was saying about the right side.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like it's all over here.
Wow. Wow. It's crazy. You'll like rub a spot and I didn't even know it. Like, you could rub that
I
spot.
know. Okay, here we go. Over the ear, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Pull. Remember that question I asked you earlier, or I was telling you about I was going to check everything. You're fine.
Wow.
Great. You did great. Back to this. We'll put pressure here. You're all swollen in your low back here.
Deep sigh.
Oh well. You did.
Wow, I thought the scraping would feel different.
This
From
is
your
what-
videos, I mean, you kind of like get an idea of what
It's
you
like a
think.
back scratch, right?
Right, just like,
See, I'm pulling at the fascia there. Yeah, there you go. Feel that grit right there.
yes.
It's like a little mesh. That's what it always feels like to me, at least. Yeah, it's all over here. You were right. This is why you're hurting.
Wow, that feels so good.
Get it. Get it out of there.
It was worth it though. I'd rather drive an hour and 15 minutes than, you know, go
Well,
locally and not have what I
you
need
gotta
done.
get this fixed, yeah.
You came up on my TikTok actually like probably like a year ago, maybe like 6 months, a year ago.
Interesting.
And I didn't even know that you were in Florida, and I just really liked the vibe of your videos. You kept coming up, and I was like, okay, this is gotta be like God sent, you know? So I went to your
Aw.
page, and I had followed you because I was like, she always comes up, like I love her videos. And then there was one day, there was a girl that I saw who was kind of like shaped kind of like I was.
Mm-hmm.
And I just kind of watched the video, and then I went to your YouTube, and I was like, oh yeah, I love this
Yeah, a
girl.
lot more content on the YouTube.
And
YouTube's king.
The YouTube's cool because it shows like the before, you know, like when you're talking to them, like how
Yeah,
you treat,
so it's not just rack 'em, crack 'em,
and you
right?
don't treat your patients like patients. You treat your patients like people, which is like very rare, you know.
That's sad. That to hear
I
that.
I think so, but
Because we're all people.
absolutely.
Well, you know, when the scoliosis that I have causes pain. And if I don't address it, I'm in pain. So I feel for my patients. It makes great doctors pain. When you're dealing with your own pain. Because just you're more sympathetic. You
completely
feel,
understand.
yeah, I feel what you feel. I know exactly what you're going through. And you know what? I've learned how to fix it on myself. I will say that the more time passes, the harder it is to fix. But if you get it within, you know, your age, you'll be fine. It's okay. Take care of your chiropractors. Toss a coin to your chiro. They come here and visit, and I'm like, you got a good one back home. Take care of them. Keep them in business.
Wow.
That's it. Oh. They always think I'm picking lice out on TikTok. I'm like, guys! Like, I thought they were bites.
No lice, no lice, no
I'm
lice.
just joking.
I
I'm
promise.
joking.
Look, zoom in.
Oh, no. But that's why I got popular.
Wait, are you serious?
I'm not even joking.
Hey, you gotta take the fame where you can get it, girl.
I know. They're like, I thought it was like a lice knitting.
Can't wait to see what our gen will be like when we're older.
It's
Like
coming
when
one way or
like
the
when-
other,
when
so
they're-
we'll find out eventually.
Like when we're doctors and when we're policemen, like what is this world gonna come to?
Hey, you'll be taking care of us, so we better be nice. So I tell people, I'm be nice.
I can like feel it underneath after you explained it to me. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, you got stuff under there. My beautiful hair. Well, yes, that. But there is.
There's a reason to this.
We want to supply that hair with some good blood flow. Oh.
Maybe on my shoulders a little bit.
It should be a little hot.
Just a little bit.
Again, I don't give painkillers in here, so it is what it is.
Your hands are the painkillers.
My hands, the painkillers. Now, this red goes away almost instantly. It lasts about 7 days at the most. So come on up. We'll take a second to breathe. Yeah, that's why we have the Viva towels, because they take the makeup and they don't slide the makeup. We can give you that if you want. All right, here's the bottom part.
Oh, wow. Not too bad. Nice.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This all goes away in, like I said, the most 7 days. You really didn't bruise too bad.
Yeah, it didn't look too bad.
Yep. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. With everything you got. There they go.
Wow. I felt that in the back.
And now we're gonna feel it in the front. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Excellent job. Wow. Like that. Perfect. I'm gonna lift you up. Are you okay?
I'm good, girl.
Okay. Okay. And relax. I'm gonna pull. There we go. Good. You okay?
Yeah, I was just imagining what I look like.
Like a pretzel. I had to take this and pull your legs over.
You're like, come on, girl.
Yeah.
I felt it trying. I'm okay. I trust you, girl.
Okay, so let's do the ear. And this side is the good side. So let's see. Lean away. Good. No, nothing there. Perfect. This is the rougher side. Let's see what it has.
Whoa.
Did you? Yeah. So something happened to this side, either from the Invisalign or.
Probably. Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So
I
you
feel
see-
it like.
You had this side was clean, nothing.
Wow.
This side, yeah, ear just really.
Whoa.
You okay?
I feel good.
Okay. Turn this way. And then elbow back. More. There it is.
Whoa.
I was like, I think it's got more. It's all about the alignment first. And now elbow back.
Whoa. That was a good one.
Jeez. Lean away. Perfect. There you go. Good. Okay. That was head to toe. Okay. I'm going to take you side to side on it. But we have to get you used to just going back first.
Whoa.
So eventually you're going to go in out of this.
Whoa.
You might feel like a little like a truck ran over you. That's why I
Just-
stopped with what I did.
It just hit me.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why I stopped there. Lots of
Wow.
water. You have a water bottle with you?
Yeah, in the truck.
Yeah.
So like when I wake up in the morning, I always try to stretch.
Okay.
Do you have any like recommendations?
Don't go forward.
Uh-huh.
Go back.
Okay.
Okay, everybody wants to go forward. I think she's good though. I think she reached her limit. I'm gonna stop there.
That was perfect.